Welcome to the tutorial video about the task list in the Mespas Physical Asset Management. This video is to show you how to create new tasks and handle them until their completion. Unlike the planned maintenance module, the task list is to manage unplanned or non-recurring activities. They may be commissioned in the office and are to be executed on the vessel and vice versa, or they're created and completed at the same place. The task list guarantees that important actions are not forgotten but executed and that their completion is documented. To open the task list, click on the respective button on the top of the screen. The screen shown here is the task list on the vessel, but it looks and works exactly the same in Office with one exception. In the Office, you have the possibility to create tasks that are visible in the office only and not on the corresponding vessel. To create a new task, click on the Add button at the bottom left of the screen. Enter at least all mandatory fields that are marked with an asterisk. Enter a short but significant task title and select a task type. Tasks have to be assigned to a specific person for carrying it out and a responsible person to supervise it. A task has to be related either to an operating system or a product, but not both. Select an operating system from the drop-down list, or select a product from the product tree, and enter a target date for the completion of the new task. You may set the ticker in the box to be confirmed after completion. If this option is checked, the person carrying out the task cannot finish it and move it to the archive, but only set it to the status needs confirmation. It is up to you as the initial editor of the task to confirm its completion and set its status to finish. Once you entered all details, click on Save and enter another task or click Close. All tasks are synchronized between the office and the respective vessel, except tasks that are marked for office use only. You may display all tasks on your vessel with a click on Search. To further refine your search, you can use the various filters or enter a search term into the free text fields as task title or product. Tasks that are overdue are highlighted red. The V or O at the task number indicates if the task comes from the vessel or the office. You may edit tasks if you're the original author or if the task state is either pending or postponed. To edit a task, select it and click on Edit. You can also enter comments to each task that is pending or postponed. To do so, click on the button Add View Comments and on Add. You may use the comments like a logbook to check a task's history, as all actions and contributors on a task are noted here. You may add the time used to work on it here, and use these figures later for reporting. If you want to postpone a task, just click on the respective button and enter a short notice about the reason of the delay. Apart from comments, tasks can also be documented by assigning documents or adding the spare parts that were used to execute it. To access the documents to a task, click on the button Documents. To add a new file, click on Add and Assign. Fill in the relevant fields and save it. To add or view parts that were used to complete the task, open the task's details and click on the tab Parts. Parts can be entered on the vessel but not in the office. Unlike the parts used for overhaul and planned maintenance, there's no definition of parts that are likely to be used when a task is created. To add new parts, select the brand and type of the respective machinery or catalog and enter a search term. The list of search results appears in the lower part of the screen. Add the quantity that was used to the respective part and press Enter, or click on Accept to add it to the list. You may add parts from different machinery or catalogs like that. If a task is carried out, click the button Completed. Enter a short description of your actions into the respective fields. The date of completion if it's not today, and the time that it took. In the field Reported Time, the accumulated hours are shown that were entered before in the window Task Comment. Use the field Additional Time to enter the time used to complete the task. Then click on Completed. The task will change its state to Finished or to Needs Confirmation if this option was selected when the task was added. Only the initial creator of a task can confirm and finally close it with a click on the respective button. Any finished task can be reopened if there is additional work to do. To get finished tasks off your list, move them to the archive. You can search for archived tasks with the ticker, including archived, in the search section. Archived tasks can be unarchived if they, for example, need to be reopened. For class audits, port state control inspection, or any other kind of inspection, you may want to group all tasks with reference to that inspection together in order to easily monitor them before the inspection takes place and to present them at the inspection. To attach an existing task to an inspection, click on the button Assign. Select the inspection and click on OK. With this, we come to the end of this tutorial about the task list.